Do you have HEIC image files from your iPhone that you need to convert to PDF on your Mac? Apple's macOS offers free, built-in methods to handle this conversion without needing any third-party software. HEIC is Apple's efficient image format, but PDFs are universally compatible. Let's get started. Make sure your Mac is running macOS Mojave 10.14 or later. We'll cover using the Preview app, a default macOS utility for single-file conversions. We are using macOS 15.1, and this information is accurate as of November 29th, 2025. Begin by locating your HEIC file in Finder and opening it with Preview. Once the HEIC file is open in Preview, click on the File menu in the menu bar. From the File menu, select the Export option to open the Export dialog. In the Export options, choose PDF as the format. You can adjust the image quality and resolution. For crisp printing, use 300 dpi. Click Save to convert your HEIC file to PDF. The process is quick, lossless, and works offline. You now have a PDF version of your HEIC image, ready for sharing or archiving. Repeat these steps for additional files.